Hey, it's Volatile here. Hey, and congratulations for making it into this page. So a lot of people don't take action, but you did. So congratulations, and you're now going to reap the benefits. So let's go. So in this video, I will reveal you token metrics. I will show you step by step everything inside this and how you can use this to make profitable portfolios. Okay, so Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency research company that uses artificial intelligence to build indicates, rankings, and price predictions. Okay, so let me show you here. By the way, I will give you a free trial. Actually, well, it's not free, but it's cost like basically like $1 or something like that. You can try Token Metrics for like for $1 or something like that. Very cheap. And basically it's free, right? And then I will also give you 10% lifetime discount. Okay, it's insane. You will save a lot of money. But anyway, before that, I will quickly want to show you what you can do here. For example, when you go to Token Metrics login, and when you go to ratings, you can see the exact cryptocurrencies that Token Metrics predicts. Okay, and this tool is just absolutely insane. Okay, let me show you. For example, if you go here 30-day price predictions, you can see here that currently Avalanche and Shiba Inu, as I'm recording this video, and Polkadot, SafeMoon, these are, it is all indicating that these are going to go up. And yeah, that's insane. Also Bitcoin SV is going, it says that it's going up. And I watched it, the same page yesterday, and it said the same things here, but except everything was red here. But now everything has turned to green here. So I mean, just it's crazy how good this is. They have amazing team of experts doing this whole thing. So let me show you. For example, now click Polkadot here. You can also come here and type in any token's name, but let's start with Polkadot. Like I said, you can just like I don't know, whatever you want to check out. You can come here and look at low frequency trading strategy. Okay, like you can see, it gives all the data here. Then we'll go to fundamental summary of the project. So so they have a team of experts, and this what they pull up, the information here is straight up from the companies, from the cryptocurrency projects white papers. Okay, this is not some Google or YouTube information. This is straight from the horse's mouth, the information that you will see in the token metrics. It's amazing. It's a very crazy way to like look into projects, see the compressed real knowledge, okay, about the project. I love it. Here you can see the socials, average accounts active on Reddit, and Telegram users, Twitter followers, and all this stuff. Then you can see the markets where you can buy the coin. Excuse me. And now we are getting to them even better. Look at this. So this is rolling daily price predictions using machine learning. The predictions are rolling daily predictions. As every day closes, past data is used to make future predictions. So the predictions update daily, and it's recommended to check them every day, every few days, to see if any major changes has been made to the daily prediction. So this is insane. And this is exactly what I have been looking at. And like you can see here that it's predicting that DOT should be at $50. Okay. And look here. For example, if you bought here 27 or $29, you could you could have made a great profit here. For example, like you can see, let me show you, for example, in the 6 months, and so you can really see how accurate this is. Of course, there's going to be some fluctuation because of the like Elon Musk pumping it and stuff, but look at how pretty like accurate this is. Just insane. Look at this. It's actually like these are exactly the same here. Like look at this. Okay, so very insane. And you can see this price prediction, future price prediction for all of the coins. And you can also you definitely should come watch it, like it says here, after a few days, to see where it's heading, because it uses the past data. Okay, and then you can come here and see the fundamentals of the coins. This is also insane. So they will go over like the fundamental analysis, competition and all that stuff. And it has got, for example, Polkadot has got insane scores here. So here are all the information that you need to watch. For example, you need a screening is very important, scarcity, tokenomics, market standing, development, liquidity marketing, reputation, team, security, all this good stuff. Very good scores. For example, here you can see this. You can like when you come and watch projects that you want to look more into, and you come here, you can definitely see the bad projects like just watching it on token metrics, because the experts who look at these, take a look at these coins, they know the code, they know everything about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so they are very insanely smart people. Then there comes the technology, and look at how, for example, how big score Polkadot has. So 8 innovation, architecture, code quality. They also check the code quality, because when it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's all about the code. If the code is bad, well, the project is probably going to die. Okay. And for example, here Polkadot code quality excellent. So yeah, that's just, you can see like how much data here. It's insane. Okay. And then we go even further. There's technical analysis. Okay, so you can see here technical standpoints. Here's the low frequency trading strategy, and then it's also, you can see the oscillators, moving averages, and all that stuff, crazy stuff. Okay, definitely highly recommend you to deep dive into this stuff. I'm just going to quickly show it here. Performance metrics also, you can see cumulative returns versus Bitcoin. Okay, so which would have been better hold, Bitcoin or Polkadot? Because let's face it, we are here for the money. So currently Polkadot has performed better than Bitcoin. Okay, so very insane. Okay, so you can see there's just so much data here. Look at here, it's insane. Okay, and then there's correlation, and you can see that here, but I'm not going to dive into that. But anyway, that's basically the whole structure of token metrics. You can also see here TV part. They have new stuff coming all the way up, and for example, here you can see you know sharing their insights and what they know about markets. And these guys are, you know, literally experts. They have been in cryptocurrency for years now, and they just live and breathe cryptocurrencies. Okay, so these guys know what they're talking about. Here's a very good way to learn new information, and also they will send you daily email newsletter, where they basically every day they look at different coins, like every single day, and you will get that same information that they get, like a very compressed way. So they send you a PDF of new coins that they are looking into, what they think this has potential. It's just, the value is just absolutely insane there. Okay, so anyway, when you click link in this in the below, there's like a button or link, and click that, continue, and you will get the trial. Okay, and then you will also get the 10% lifetime off. Okay, so it's 10% off for a whole lifetime. So it's very crazy. So you can get that there. Definitely check it out, try it for yourself. The upside is huge with this one. If you don't like it, just cancel the trial. But you know, when I started using this, I haven't not been able to stop using it, because this is so good. This is just, the knowledge here is insane. You can't get this anywhere else. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much, and see you inside, guys. See you inside. Okay.